Hello to all of you. Today I will guide you to scan out potential customers in groups on Facebook using the software Scan Data on Facebook. This is the main interface of the data scanning software, and so that we can scan the group members. Then we'll go to the group member scan here. And to get the groups according to the theme, we can scan group by keyword in this section. Or we can get the ones directly. Quality group. For example, this group. And I'll scan out the ones. The most new member to join. Scan out the most new entrants here. Then we'll get the people who care. The quality customers. And we can scan multiple congregations at the same time. We'll first get the ID of this group. We're going to go into the group member scan. Enter the ID here. We can also enter multiple IDs. I'll scan another group. Then we can enter unlimited group IDs here. And now I'm going to scan about how many people. For example, the newest members, maybe a few hundred people though. Of course you can scan up to a few thousand people. I only let 5,000 here. And here we'll have our setup. Quick scan or detailed scan. Scan details, we will have more information about those members. I'll use a quick scan here. I'll just scan for new members here. New member, who are new to this topic. People are wanting to search. People should be potential customers. Then I'll just need to select the accounts to scan. And press start is. The software will automatically scan for us. And I'll show you in a minute results when I can scan out. What is it like? By everyone.